student. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So student, in today's class, we are going to do exercise 7.5, which is a part of chapter 7 fraction. Right? But before starting the exercise, we will take a short recap. So student, as you already saw that I write some pointers on the board. First is fraction, second is like fraction, and third is unlike fraction. So what is fraction? Bacha, a fraction is a part of a whole object. Here you see a circle. Here there are how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total number of parts are 4 and the shaded one is only 1. So what will the fraction of the shaded part be, bachcho? It is 1 by 4. Here 1 represent the shaded part and 4 represent the whole object, the total number of parts. So the top one called numerator and the bottom part is called denominator. Understand? Now, like fraction. Like fraction are those fractions which have same denominator. Means their bottom value is same. So, there are few examples here. 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7. Here the denominator of all three fractions are same. So they are called like fraction. Now unlike fraction. Unlike fraction are those fractions whose denominator are not same. 2 by 8, 1 by 4, 6 by 9. Here you will see that the denominator value is not same. They have different denominator. So this is a short recap. Now take out your maths book, notebook and stationery for doing the exercise. So student, I hope everyone open exercise 7.5, that is on page number 110. So student, in this exercise we have to use the concept of addition and subtraction of like fraction. As I already told you, like fractions are those fractions those are having the same denominator, the bottom value. Right? So first I will explain you how to do the addition of like fraction. Right? So I will write some example here. That is 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Whenever we do the addition of like fraction, our first step is to check whether our fraction is like or unlike. So here, two fractions are already written over there. So they both denominators are same, and we already know that if the denominators are same, it means it is like fraction. So our first step is to check the fraction. Now second step is to do the addition. So in like fraction we don't have to do anything with the denominator value. It remains the same, but we have to add the numerator value. That is here it is 2 and 4. So when we add 2 and 4, what it comes? It is 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6 and the denominator remains the same. So after addition of both fraction, what will be the answer? 6 by 9. Now the next part is subtraction of like fraction. Again, in this also our first step is remain the same, that we have to check whether our fraction is a like fraction or unlike fraction. Here I write two fractions, is it? 3 by 4 2 by 4. Both denominators are same. So, it means it is like fraction. Now, our next step is what we have to do in this part. We have to subtract it, minus, right? So, we don't have to change the denominator. Denominator will remain the same. But we have to do subtraction in the numerator values. That is the top values. Here we have 3 and 2 in numerator value. Alright. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. What will come? It is 1. So 1 by 4. So this is the way we will do the addition and subtraction of like fraction. Now we will do exercise 7.5 in notebook. I hope everyone check out their notebooks and books along with the stationery. Students, those who already complete this exercise, they will treat this class as a recapitulation for their better understanding. Rest, those who have not done, do it in their notebook. And first, what we will do? We will write in the notebook today's date, chapter number 7, fraction, exercise 7.5 classwork, and we will do question number 1, that is add the following like fraction, right? And write down question A part 9 by 11 plus 3 by 11. So student, as I already told you that the first step while doing the addition of like fraction is to check whether the fraction is like or unlike. So here we have two fraction digits. First is 9 by 11 and second is 3 by 11. Their denominators are same, right? So they are like fraction. Now our next step is to add their both fraction. So how we will do? We will denominator value will remain the same, right? And we have the numerator in 9. We are doing the addition, put the addition sign. Then 3. So 9 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. So this is our answer. I hope everyone understands this concept, how to add the like fraction. Now student, we will move toward B part, that is 3 by 5 and 2 by 5, and we have to do the addition of these two fractions. So the process will remain the same. That first we have to check whether the fraction are like or unlike. Second, we have to add only the numerator value. The denominator will remain the same. Okay, so now we will do the solution on the board. So here 5 is the denominator, right? Now we will write 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 are the values in the numerator, and 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So we write 5 divided by numerator and 5 in denominator. Understand? Now student, we will solve the C part also of question number 1. So the C part is 7 by 8 plus 2 by 8. So we have to do the addition of these two fractions. So the first, it is a like fraction. So the denominator will remain the same, that is 8 only. Next is numerator value is 7 and we have to do the addition. Put the addition sign and then we will write the 2. So 7 plus 2, tell me, it is 9. So answer is 9.8. So student, in question number 1, what we have learned? We learned how to do the addition of like fraction, right? And we solved A, B and C part. D, E and F part is for your practice and you have to solve it as your homework. Now we will move forward toward the question number 2, in which we have to do the subtraction of like fraction, right? So here on board we have two questions. A is 9 by 11 minus 3 by 11. Again two fraction. Here both fractions have the same denominator. It means they are the like fraction. So what we will do? The same what we did earlier, the addition, the same way, but instead of addition, here we have to do the subtraction. Now we will solve this question. So the first step is to check the denominator. So both denominators are same, so it is a like fraction. So we will write 11 here, right? Now check the numerator values. Here numerator, the first value is 9 and second is 3. And what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So first we will write 9 minus 3. So when we subtract 3 from 9, what will be the answer? That is 6. So we will write 6 here. And denominator value will be the same, that is 11. So our answer is 6 by 11. Understand? Now we will solve the B part also. So here in B part we have the values 3 by 5, subtract 2 by 5. So now I know you all know what will be the first step. The first step is to check the fraction, whether it is like or unlike. If it is like, then there is no change in denominator. So the 5 will come here. In numerator, we have the values 3 and 2. And what we will do? We have to do the subtraction. So 3 minus 2, what will be the answer? It is 1. So first we will write 3 minus 2. So answer will be 1. 1 by 5. Okay. Now student, we will solve the C part of question number 2. Right. So question is 7 by 8 minus subtract 2 by 8. Right student. So first step, it is a like fraction. So denominator 8 will come the same way, right? Now numerator is 7 and 2. And what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. So 7 minus 2, tell me, 7 minus 2, what will be the answer? 5. Okay? So first we will write 7 minus 2, right? And now we will write 5 in the numerator and 8 in denominator. Okay? I hope you will all understand how to do the subtraction of like fraction. So we've already done the addition and subtraction. Now we will move forward toward the question number 3. But there are some more question number 2, right? That is D, E and F part. that is again for your practice, and you have to solve all these questions in your maths notebook. So question number 1, D, E, F part, and question number 2, D, E and F part is for your practice, and you have to do all the question of 1 and 2 in your notebook. And now take out your maths book because we have to solve question number 3 in book only. So student, I hope everyone opened their maths book. Right. And this question number 3 of exercise 7.5 is on page number 111. Right. So student, in this question, what we have to do? So, first we will read the question. So, question is, write addition or subtraction to fill in the boxes. So, bacha, there are some equations on the board. Then there is a circle also, blanks also. We have to put the correct sign. Correct sign of addition or subtraction. So what we have learned in question number 1 and 2, we have to use the concept and fill the blanks. So first question is 4 by 9 blank 3 by 9. Answer will be 7 by 9. So 9, 9, 9. So it clearly shows that it is a like fraction. So now we have to move toward the numerator value. Here we have the numerator value 7. And when 7 will come? When we add 4 and 3. So we will put addition sign here. Right, bacha? We will put the addition sign. I hope understood. Now B part. B part again 6 by 7. One blank box is there. 1 by 7 and answer is 5 by 7. Here also denominator values are same. So it is a like fraction. Here we have the answer value is 5. So when 5 will come? When from 6 1 will minus, then only we got 5. So we will put minus or subtraction sign here. Right, bacha? Now move toward the C part, that is 8 by 10 blank 1 by 10 equals to 9 by 10. Again all denominators are same. So it is a like fraction. Here answer fraction is 9. So when 9 will come? When we add 8 and 1. So we will put addition sign. Okay. So I hope everyone understand these questions. Again D, E, F part of question number 3 is for your practice. And you have to solve these 3 parts in your book. Okay student, I hope this topic is well clear to you and you all understood how to do the addition and subtraction of like fraction. So bacha, till yet that's all for today class. We will see you in the next class. Till yet, bye bye. Take care.